so empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
pieces. So guys, this is how they have turned out. I've packed my smokies in packs of 3 because one of my sons doesn't eat smokies, and sausages in packs of 4, so this will be easier. Then I'm going to be putting them in a container, so let me show you guys how they'll turn up. So this is easier than removing the whole pack to unfreeze it and then you freeze it back. It's not even healthy. But like this, you just remove a pack, you wait for it to thaw, then you can use it. So this is easier. So let me show you how I'm going to arrange them in that container, then put them in the freezer. So you just need a cling film. So I'm using the velvet cling film so that you can achieve this. Yeah, so let me pack them. So you just arrange them in this container like this. So yeah, like that. And then just cover.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Grasping into it.
That is how they look.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Yeah,
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah,
so that is how I've arranged the meat. This is chicken gizzards, chicken liver, gizzards, more gizzards, yeah. So that is how my freezer looks as of now. Yeah.
the birds have just begun.
Money.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
To wash.
Savannah,
Going to be washing the vegetables with zest of vinegar and zest bicarbonate of soda, and then I'll be packing them in the fridge. So yeah. And then I'll be prepping this French beans, and then I'll be mixing them with some carrots. Yeah. I have washed all the vegetables, now they are clean. They are drying out. They did not get wiped by the paper towel. Then I'm going to organize them in the fridge. But I'm going to be wrapping up the bell peppers with cling film. This is half because I have been cooking. I have prepped my carrot and my French beans. I'm going to branch them, and then I'm going to be storing that up in the freezer. Yeah, looking so good. If it's colorful, then you know it's healthy. Yep, these are limes. Yeah, so let me finish mixing this up, branch them, then I'll store them in the freezer. Yep.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels.
Cook these ones first because they are a bit spicy. We wrap this up with cling film, then we put them here. Yep, let me do that off camera. Then I'll show you how it looks. My French beans and carrots, they are branching over here. Then I'm going to store them in the freezer once I drain them and they cool down. Yep.
Baby, you
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. By my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.